Let's make this lovely dessert called Indian Rossbora. Take 1 tablespoon clarified butter or normal butter. Add half cup semolina and fry it well on low heat. When it becomes light brown, add 1 cup liquid milk and stir it. Don't stop stirring, or it will stick to the pan. When it becomes thick like dough, move it to a plate. Now, add 2 tablespoons powdered milk, then knead it properly. If the dough becomes too dry, add 2 tablespoons liquid milk. Now, take small portions of the dough and make flat balls like this. Hello sweet people, don't forget to subscribe Tasty today. Now, let's prepare the sweet syrup. Take a pan and add 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water. Drop some cardamom into it. Boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. Our next step is to fry the flat balls in oil. Fry them on medium heat until becomes like this. Then put the hot balls into the syrup. Let it soak for 1 hour. Our Rossbora is ready to serve. Hope you all liked the recipe. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Love you. See you in the next video.